There's breaking news coming in, and something major seems to be happening in Sandesh Khali. The NSG team has reached Sandesh Khali, and NSG's bomb detection center was called in. Why did this happen? Because explosives were found earlier today, and the NSG's bomb disposal team has been called in to defuse these bombs. In fact, we have Pooja joining us right now. Pooja, fresh developments coming in. These seizures made earlier today. Many questions are being asked for the kind of arms and ammunitions that were found, and now a bomb disposal team of the NSG has been called in. What's happening on the ground, Pooja?
Well, absolutely. This morning, a CBI team reached this area in Sandesh Khali, and in connection with the attack on ED, they were investigating the case, and they came across this particular building. And as you can see, that there are NSG commandos who have reached the area now, and they are cordoning off the entire area. You can see from the visuals that the NSG commandos who have reached the area, because the teams who were working at this area recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition, and there are some also foreign mid pistols that have been recovered. Right. But at this point in time, an ambulance has been brought here, and sources say that ammunition in huge quantity have been recovered, as a result of which the NSG commandos are barricading off this entire area. This area is being cordoned off, and they are preventing the media and the locals from going close to this particular building from which the arms and the ammunition have been recovered. But right now, this is a major development as far as the Sandesh Khali case is concerned, and the NSG commandos have reached the area for the first time, and they will be not just exploring the terror links, but will also see and check the nature of the explosives that have been stored here. Because remember, when the CBI teams reached here this morning, they had to dig the ground to reach the area where all these arms and ammunitions were being stored. So what are the links why this ammunition and arms were being stored here will be explored, and also if it has any terror links, all those angles will be explored by the NSG commandos here who have reached the spot.
Right. Pooja, stay with us, because this is a live and ongoing situation, and on your screens are pictures of the NSG's bomb squad that has now been called in to defuse the bombs, and that was found by the CBI's team in that house. Pooja, who does the house belong to? Do you have any preliminary information? Because this was a case pertaining to the attack on ED. Pertaining to that case, we also saw the arrest of Sheikh Shah Jahan. Who does that house belong to?
While there is no official confirmation on the part of the CBI, but the locals whom we spoke to here say that this house belongs to the Trinamool Congress Panchayat member's relative. So we don't know his political affiliation. His identity is yet to be revealed by the locals, but what they gather is that this house belongs to the relative of a Trinamool Congress Panchayat member. But all the political links will also be explored by the CBI, who is at this point in time investigating the case in order of the passed by the Calcutta High Court. Remember, the Calcutta High Court had said that all the cases pertaining to the Sandesh Khali matter will be investigated by the CBI.
Okay, so foreign weapons, foreign-made pistols, arms and ammunition, a house where bombs were stockpiled in Sandesh Khali. CBI found this today, and the story is only unfolding. We're keeping a close watch on it, taking a short break. Pooja's getting us all the details, but we'll be back with more live updates.